Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today I am starting the very first project pan on my channel of the year, and it is a group project pan collaboration. This is the Partners in Cream project pan, which so many wonderful creators are doing here on YouTube and also on Instagram. The hashtag for this project pan is hashtag Partners in Cream 2021. This was created last year by Steph and DaLin, and they brought together so many people. I lasted about halfway through the year, and then I kind of just ran out of cream products that I wanted to pan and dropped out of the project pan last year. But it is the start of a brand new year, and I just collected all of the things that I'm interested in panning this year, and there was enough cream products that I decided to rejoin this project. I will link Steph and DaLin's channels down below, along with the playlist for everybody who is doing this project pan. Everybody, for the most part, is project panning 3 to 6 items. We're doing monthly updates on the 10th. I'm looking down because that's where the notes are. There's a quarterly refresh, and the deal with this project, as the title states, is that we're panning all products except powder products. So this is creams and liquids, things that typically go bad faster than powder products. I have a total of 4 items that I'm pretty excited to share with you. If you saw my products that I'd like to pan in 2021, these are not going to be new to you, but if you saw that video, maybe you'll be interested to see exactly what I chose from all the products that I want to pan this year to incorporate into this project pan. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I do have 2 eye products, a lip product, and 1 skincare item. Let's start with the 1 lipstick item. I don't know why I do this to myself. I incorporated this item into, I think, several project pans last year and didn't quite hit my goal. I think that I wanted to use it up. I did not do that. I'm feeling very incentivized right now though, so we'll see. But it's this product right here. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche. It's just a deluxe size, and this is in the shade Pepper. And my goal with this is to use it until at least it's halfway used up. I will track this somewhere on some sheet of paper that's not in front of me right now, but I want to use this like halfway up. Let me give it a little swatch just so you can see what it looks like. It's a really pretty color. This is what it looks like right there on the back of my hand. This is definitely something that I can use on my lips as well as my cheeks. I definitely have gotten into doing that with my lip products, especially stuff that I'm trying to pan. I've used this for sure, but not too much. Let me show you kind of as an example the product that I was trying to use up last year. So this is the lipstick kind of twin to the one that I'm trying to use up this year. So you can see that there's quite a difference between the two. If I can get the one in this project pan down to about where this one is, I'll be very happy, if not more. We'll see. These both are Bite products, so they do go bad a little faster than regular lip products because they don't have preservatives in them, which is great, but not for longevity. So this is product number 1, and I would like to use it halfway up, if not more. We'll see how I'm feeling. And then I have 2 eyeshadow products. Let's first talk about this one. I'm incorporating a ColourPop Super Shock shadow into this project. This one I have not used that much, but it is getting a little dry. It's a really pretty color. I think this is one of their limited edition ones. This is in the shade Birthday Cake. It does have this really pretty sky blue packaging and stars on the top. This is where we're starting, so almost from scratch. I do have a couple little uses in there, as you can see. My goal with Super Shock shadows is always to get the little disc on the inside to display. I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. Here's a good example. So this is the shade Sundance, and this is what I'm talking about. You see that little disc in the center? That is what I like my Super Shocks to look like. So we're gonna try and get this shade there. Let me give it a swatch just so you can kind of see the color. Not that you can buy it because it's limited edition, but I suppose just to torture you, this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty pinky taupey color that's super glittery. I haven't used this too much, which means I've got a long way to go, but I'm excited to go. This is product number 2. Did I say that I have 4 products? In case I forgot, I have 4 products. So my 3rd product is something I love but almost never use. It is this liquid eyeshadow right here. This is the Urban Decay Liquid Moon Dust eyeshadow in the shade Solstice. I got this like 3 years ago, and I'm surprised it's not dried up yet, but every time I've used it, I've really liked the way that it looks. So if I put it in this project, it'll make me use it, right? Right. I'll give you kind of a swatch of it. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. Maybe if I kind of Ooh. So this is a really pretty, it's like a red with blue glitter in it. I really, really like it, and I think that I could get a lot of different kinds of uses out of it. I could probably use it as liner, maybe like a floating liner, I think is what it's called, or maybe a center of the lid kind of halo eye situation, or maybe all over the lid. I don't know, but I think that there's a lot of options. My goal with this is to use it 20 times and then see how we feel about it. So I think 20 times is pretty good. This will definitely take me a couple, maybe a few months to hit that goal on, because you know, that seems like a long time, but I won't be using this every single day. My goal really is to kind of use it at least 1 to 2 times a week. So 20 times. After 20 times is up, we'll see how far I've made it, how I'm feeling about it. Maybe I'll extend that goal a little bit, or maybe I'll put it away for a little while. But for now, 20 times. I think I've only used this a total of like 3 times, so 20 is a good place to start. And finally, my one skincare item is this product right here by The Ordinary. This is the Buffet Multi-Technology Peptide Serum. This is where we're starting. You can see I've got a line right here. My goal is just to use this up. Not just to use this up. I've had this for a while and it doesn't really do much for my skin, but I paid for it and it's not bad to my knowledge for my skin. So I'd like to use it up. And by putting it in this project, that'll make me do it. I'll mark this where we're starting it just so we have somewhere to kind of visually see on the packaging. All right. Here are my 4 items that we're working with in this project pan. Definitely go check out the playlist down below and go check out DaLin and Steph's channels. And a huge thank you to them for putting together another year of Partners in Cream for everybody. I know that I'm so grateful and so excited to see everybody's updates. If you like project pans, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.